Good morning, children. Welcome to the maths class. So last class we have studied about practice things. I gave you as a homework. So already you have done it. Find the difference, find the sum, and then write in expanded form, write the reduced form, show the numerals in abacus. So now word problems, question number 18, page number 172. Okay, write the question first. I'll write the solution, then you write the solution. We will continue like this. Okay, I hope you all have done a maths fair. So in that fair you should continue it. Page number 172, question number 18. There were 36 fruits in one basket and 20 fruits in the second basket. How many fruits were there in two baskets? Okay, there are two baskets. First basket is having 36 fruits and in second basket 20 fruits. So how many fruits were there in two baskets? So first write solution. Solution. What has given, that first you should write. Fruits in first basket. First basket is equal to 36. Fruits in second basket. Fruits in second basket is equal to 20. Then what we should find? Fruits in two baskets. Fruits in two baskets is equal to 36 plus 20 we should do. So write in a column 36 plus 20. Add this 6 plus 0. How to do 6 plus 0? Big number in your mind and small number in your hand. Big number in the sense 6. 0 means nothing. Okay, no number at all. 6 plus 0, 6. 3 plus 2, 3 plus 2, 3, 4, 5. So 56. So you have to write answer. Thus, there are 56 fruits in both baskets. So first question and the answer. This is word problem. Write the question properly in one line notebook. If you made square line notebook also, don't worry. Write the question number 18. Then write full sentence question and down you should solve the answer like this. There were 36 fruits in one basket and 20 fruits in the second basket. How many fruits were there in two baskets? So solution, fruits in first basket is equal to 36. Fruits in second basket is equal to 20. What we should identify? Fruits in two baskets is equal to 36 plus 20. So we wrote that in column 6 plus 0, 6. 3 plus 2, 5. So thus there were 56 fruits in both baskets. Got it? So pause the video and write the answer properly. After writing, you again play the video and go for next question. Write the second question. Next, 19th question. There are 37 red and 40 white roses in a flower shop. How many total roses are there? The word total, in all together, and both together, these words indicates that we should do addition. Okay, some roses are there, some roses are there. Find the total roses in all, around. These all words will indicate to do the addition. So this question 19, there are 37 red and 40 white roses in a flower shop. How many total roses are there? So this question is also regarding addition. So write solution. Red rose is equal to, red roses is equal to 37, white roses is equal to 40. What they told us, total roses. Roses in total is equal to 37 plus 40. So 37 plus 40, do the addition. 7 plus 0, again 7, 3 plus 4, 7. Okay, thus there are 77 roses in total. Okay, see solution. Red roses is equal to 37, white roses is equal to 40, roses in total is equal to 37 plus 40. So 37 plus 40, write in the column. 7 plus 0, 7, 3 plus 4, 7. Thus there are 77 roses in total. Okay, next. Class 2nd has 45 girls and 30 boys. How many children are there in all? See, in all, then total words are indicates to do addition. Yes, they asked in class 2nd, 45 girls are there and 30 boys. How many children are there in all? So the word in all indicates that to do addition. So write the solution. Solution, number of girls is equal to 45. Number of boys is equal to 30. Children in all. Children in all is equal to 45 plus 30. So write in the column 45 plus 30. 5 plus 0, 5. 4 plus 3, 7. So 75. Thus, there are 75 children in all. Okay. This is also the addition problem. This is also addition problem. Class 2nd has 45 girls and 30 boys. How many children are there in all? Solution. Number of girls is equal to 45. Number of boys is equal to 30. Children in all is equal to 45 plus 30. So 45 plus 30. 5 plus 0, 5. 4 plus 3, 7. Thus, there are 75 children in all. Okay, write the question also properly and the solution also neatly. Then complete the problem. Now you can pause the video and write it neatly. Then go for a next question. See children, next questions. Question number 21. You can read out from your textbook. Do you have textbook? Open it. Page number 172. I will read the question. You also read it. Question number 21. Rahul got 25 marks in one test and 20 marks in the other. How many marks did he get in all? In all word indicates that you have to do addition. Okay. The Rahul named student got 25 marks in one test, 20 marks in other test. So how many marks did he get in all? So we have to identify. Go for solution. Solution. Marks in first test is equal to 25. Marks in other test is equal to 20. Marks in all. See, marks in all. What to do? Addition. 25 plus 20. Right? 25 plus 20. 5 plus 0, 5. 2 plus 2, 4. So thus, Rahul got 45 marks in all. Okay. Marks in first test 25. Marks in other test 20. Marks in all 25 plus 20. So 25 plus 20. 5 plus 0, 5. 2 plus 2, 4. Thus, Rahul got 45 marks in all. Next solution, next question. First try to understand the question. Raj is reading a book. A Raj named boy is reading a book which has 48 pages. He has read 24 pages. How many pages are left to be read? Okay, there is a book with 48 pages and he read 24 pages. How many pages are left to be read? In the sense, the word left, remaining, difference, how many are remaining? These words indicates to do the subtraction. Okay. Now the word left indicates to do subtraction. Okay. Solution. Pages in the book. See, Raj is reading a book which has 48 pages. How many pages? 48 pages. Pages has read. How many he has read? 24. Okay. Left pages to be read. So how many pages are left to be read still? To identify. So left word indicates to do subtraction. So 48 minus 24. Write in the column 48 minus 24. You should do subtraction. 8 minus 4. So leave 4, count up to 8. Leave 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many folded? 4. So answer is 4. 4 minus 2, 3, 4. Only 2 figures. So 24. Thus, there are 24 pages left to be read. Okay, got it? This is the subtraction problem. Raj is reading a book which has 48 pages. He has read 24 pages. How many pages are left to be read? Solution. Pages in the book is equal to 48. Pages has read 24. left pages to be read. To identify this, what we want to do is 48 minus 24. So 48 minus 24, 8 minus 4 is 4, then 4 minus 2 is 2, then thus there 24 pages left to be read. Got it? If you understand the question, then easily you can write the answer. Okay, next we will go for next question. Last word problem. The boys sold 95 fun fair tickets. The girls sold 72 tickets. How many more tickets did boys sell? How many more tickets did boys sell? So there are boys and girls. Boys sold 95, girls sold 72. So how many more tickets sold by the boys than the girls? So how many more, how many less, these words indicates to do subtraction. Okay, solution. Tickets sold by boys is equal to 95. Tickets sold by girls is equal to 72. More tickets sold by boys is equal to 95 minus 72. See, how many tickets boys have sold? How many tickets girls have sold? Then what we should identify? More tickets sold by boys. So that is 95 minus 72. Write in the column 95 minus 72. Do subtraction. 5 minus 2, 3. How to do? Leave 2, count up to 5. 3, 4, 5. How many folded fingers? 3. So write 3. 9 minus 7. Leave 7, count up to 9. 8, 9. So how many folded? 2. So answer is 2. Thus 23 tickets, 23 more tickets sold by boys than girls. Got it? Once again I will tell you, in this box in all together, total, all, these words indicates to do addition. Okay, subtraction, left, remaining, less than, more than, left over. These indicates to do subtraction. So in word problem, to understand whether it is a addition or a subtraction problem, you should identify by some words like in all together, total, all. These all will come under addition. Left, remaining, less than, more than, left over, how many, difference. These all are, these words indicates to do subtraction. Okay, this is to keep it in your mind to identify the problems, whether it is a addition or subtraction. Okay, next one more HOTS question. HOTS, higher order test. What number should be put in the box at the center so that the total is same in all the directions? So 12, 24. 3, 2, 7, 8, 0, 1, 6, 5. If we add these all, it will come 12. So 165 is also 12. If we add like this, here also it is 12. Yes, 7 plus 5, 12. Next, 8 plus 3, 8, 11 plus 1, 12. So every corner if we add, answer should be 12. So here one box is empty. This we should fill. If we write it, then it has to be the addition should be 12. Here also it should be 12. So how it is? So answer should be 12. Answer should come 12. So how we should identify this? 8 plus 0, 8. In this 12, if we do minus 8, we will get the answer. So 8 plus 0, 8. So its answer should be 12. So 12 minus 8. 8 leave count up to 12. 9, 10, 11, 12. So 4 fingers. Right here 4. 8 plus 4, 12. This side also you identify 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 6, this is also 12. See, everything is correct. So answer is 4. You should write in the middle the number 4. Got it? Next we will go for find product. Product is nothing but multiplication. Okay, I told you in the last class. Sum in the sense addition. Difference in the sense subtraction. Then find product in the sense multiplication. All one I do. Find the sum for 38 plus 37. This is for sum. Okay. 8 plus 7. Keep 8 in your mind and 7 in your hand. 8. Okay. 8 plus 7. 5 plus 2, 7. 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 2 digit has come. 15. This is addition with regrouping. So 1 give carry to the next number and 5 write in 1's place. Okay. Always carry will be 1. So to next number. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 3, 4. Plus 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 75. So, this is the sum. This is example for addition. Find the difference. 87 minus 36. 7 minus 6, 1. 8 minus 3. Leave 3, count up to 8. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many are folded? 5. So answer is 5. Answer is 51. This is difference. Okay, this is difference. And next product. What is product? If we multiply two numbers, whatever answer we will get, that is product. Nothing but multiplication. If we multiply, this is the symbol of multiplication. Addition symbol is plus. This is the symbol of subtraction, minus. This is the symbol of multiplication, into. Okay, 3 into 2. 3 multiplication with 2. So you should know the 2 on the table. This is nothing but 3 into 2. So 3 into 2 how much? R 2 into 3. 2 3s are 6. 3 2s are 6. Answer will be same. So 2 3s are 6. This is multiplication. Answer you got, no? This is difference. Difference. Okay? I'll take some more examples. 3 into 5. So you should multiply 5 to 3. So read 5 on the table. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15. Okay? These are the multiplication problems. 5 into 6. 6 multiply with 5. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30. Okay, this is difference. These are the problem of multiplication. You can write the answer like this. Multiplication is nothing but the continuous process of addition. Suppose see 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 2 4 plus 2 6 plus 2 8. So continuous process of addition of same number. How many times we have added 2? How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 times we have added. Answer we got 8. That is only multiplication. 2 4s are 8. Got it? Once again 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. 5, 10, 15, 20. Okay. 5. How many times we have added? 1, 2, 3, 4. Answer is 20. That is only multiplication symbol. 5 4s are 20. Okay, this is nothing but multiplication. Let's go for textbook. See a textbook multiplication problem. 25th question. Find the product. Find the product. Find the product. First A. 7 into 5. B. 8 into 3. C. 4 into 9. All the answers you should write in textbook also as well as in your notebook also. E. 6 into 4. Next F. 3 into 3. G. 5 into 6. H. 7 into 7. I. 5 into 4. 9 into 2. Last 10 into 5. See these questions. 7 5s are. You should read. Are 5 7s. Read 5 on the table. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 6s are 25, 5 6s are 30, 5 7s are 35 is the answer. 3 8s are 8 3s. Okay? 3 8s you should read. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24. 9 4s read. 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36. 8 2s are 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16. 4 6 are 24. Next 3 3s are 9. Read the table. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. 6 5s are 30. Read the table and write. 7 7s are 49. 2 9s are 18. See this problem. 10 into 5. 10 into 5. You have to do first to one number and then this number. 5 zeros are 0. 5 1s are 5. Okay. 5 10s are 15. Okay. One more example. 23 threes are, you don't know 23 tables, so do one by one. 3 threes are 9, 3 twos are 6. You don't have 2-digit number multiplication, but also I am showing you to practice. Suppose 12 into 5. That time you don't know 5 12s are how much. Yes, 5 10s are 50 you know, but 5 12s are how much you don't know. So that what you have to do multiplication with one number, write that. Again you write multiplication with this. Okay, I'll write 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3. Understand? This is all about multiplication. These answers you all write it in your textbook, as well as 5 zeros are 0, 5 ones are 5, or 5 tens are 50. Okay? These all answers you should write in your textbook as well as in your maths notebook. I hope you are doing it. Okay? Next we will go for next class.